Yes, children. So now we are going to learn about double vowel words. Revision. Okay. Now let's see. Name of the following pictures and circle the set of double vowel in words. One has been done for you. Here now, before going to do this sheet, let us discuss, children, what is a vowel? What are vowels? Okay. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Yes, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now, double vowels. What is the meaning of double vowel? When two vowels you see together, like A, E together, I, O together, E, M together, like that. If you can see two letters, two vowels together, then that is called double vowel word. Now see here, the first example is done for you. What is there? Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Here you can see here O and A are placed together. O and A are placed together. So that those O, what is O? O is a vowel and A is also a vowel. Now you can see the two vowels together. Here you can see two vowels together. So that is a double vowel word. Now let us see the second one. What is the second spelling? We have to write the, can you see the picture? Can you see this picture second? Yes, what is that? Can you tell me what is the name of that picture?
Leaf.
Leaf. And what is the spelling of leaf?
Leaf.
Very good. Leaf. So let us write here Leaf. Leaf. And can you tell me what are vowels in this word? Five vowels? Very good. E and A are the vowels. So let us circle them. These are two vowels. Two vowels are together. So that is called a double vowel word. Now, next picture. Can you see the next picture? What is the next picture you have? Can you identify it?
Indian.
Train. Very good. What is that?
Train.
Train. And can you tell me the spelling of train?
Train.
Yes. T
R
R
A
A
I
I N.
N.
Train. So
Train.
yes. Can you
Train.
Train? Train. Now tell me what is the vowel? Like how many vowels can you see there? Yes, two vowels we can see. What are the two vowels you have there?
A
A I.
U.
I asked. Listen to me. I asked in a train. How many vowels are there in a train? Two
Two.
vowels. A and I. Now let us see
And
the
I.
next one. What is the next picture you have here? Can you tell me? What is the next picture you have?
Wheel.
Yes, wheel. We have wheel.
Wheel.
Yes,
W
yes. W
U N
H E
E
E
L.
L. Wheel. And what are vowels here? Can you tell me vowels?
Spoon. Spoon.
Children, What I am writing? Tell me that. Wheel. Wheel. How many vowels can you see in wheel word? That you tell me first. Yes. Yes. You can see E. So this is also a double vowel word. Now let us see the next one. What is the next picture you have here? Spoon.
S-P-O-N.
O N. Spoon. Very good. Spoon. So what are vowels here in the spoon? Oh, two vowels placed together. So that is called a double vowel word. And now tell me, what is this picture? Bread. R. Yes. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Now here you see in the bread also you can see two vowels together. Can you tell me what are vowels in bread? E and A. Two E and A are vowels. So that is also a double vowel word. Now you can see, children, the above whatever we have written here: goat, leaf, train, wheel, spoon, bread, everything. You can see two vowels are placed together, and that makes a word as double vowel word. Now let us see next one. What is the next picture? Come on, tell me, what is the next picture you have here? Yes? Yes, fruits. Fruits. Very good. Fruits. Now, in fruits also, can you see any two vowels in the fruits word?
U and I.
Very good. You and I are the double vowel here. Yes. So, you and I. Next one, can you tell me the next picture? What is the next picture you have there? What is the next picture you have? The boy is reading. Yes, reading. So, we will write here. So, in read, can you see two vowels? Yes, come on, tell me the two. What are the two vowels here?
E and A.
Yes, E and A are vowels. Next one, what is there in the bowl? What can you see there?
Soup.
Soup. Very good. So let us write here now.
Soup.
Soup. Soup. S-O-U-P.
Soup.
Soup. And can you tell me what are the vowels here? Can you see any vowels?
O
Can
and
you
U.
see any vowel?
O and U, ma'am.
O and you are vowels. So you can see two vowels here. So these are all double vowel words. Clear, children? Everyone understood what are double vowel words? Yes? Shall we go for the next page now? Yes? Okay, so we will go to the next one. Okay, now see here. Unscramble the words with double vowel sounds. Here, the letters are misplaced. They are not in a proper order. You have to arrange them in a proper order to make a meaningful word. Okay, so now let us see. What is the first one? Can you tell me, children, what is the first one? R-A-P-I. So can you place all the letters in a proper order to make a meaningful word? Tell me. Come on.
Pear.
Pear. Very good. What is the spelling A, I, R. And can you see any vowel here in paint?
Yes.
Yes. What are the vowels? Can you tell me?
AI.
Yes. So you can see here vowels as A.
I.
Why this is not working? Okay. A and I. Now next one. Can you tell me what is that word?
Rain. Rain. Rain.
Yes, rain. So right there, rain. R A
R-A-I-N, rain man.
N, rain. And how many vowels can you can see there? How many vowels?
Two.
Two vowels. What are those?
A-N-I.
A and
A-N-I.
okay. Now next one. Tell me what is the next one? Next word.
East.
Very good. East. E A S
A-S-T.
T. East. Very good. So what are the vowels here?
A-S.
E and A are the vowels. Next one, can you tell me?
Bear.
Board. B-O.
Or.
B.
O-A-R.
Very good. Board. Tell me the vowels fast.
O-A.
Very good. O and A are the vowels. And the last one, can you tell me what is that word? Last word.
Paint.
Very good. That is a paint. P
P-A-I-N-T.
I-N-T, paint. So what are vowels here?
A-I.
A and I are the yes. A
Ma'am,
and I are the vowels.
ma'am, it is the salary.
Huh? Yes. Now see. Next one. Next we have here fill in the blanks. We have to fill these blanks again with double vowels. Okay, already
Yes.
half of the word, I mean few letters are written there. You have to just write double vowel, the suitable double vowel letters here to complete this word. I love dash. You can see here I love CH dash SE. So what are the two vowels you are going to fill there?
E-E-double-E.
Yes, double E. So we will write here double E. And you can see here one more blank. I love cheese sandwiches with
O-E.
CMAT-S.
O-E.
Yes, O-E. Can you read that
O-E.
complete word? What is this word? Can you read this word? What is that word?
O-E.
O-E. O-E is okay, beta. Tell me what is that complete word? Tomatoes. What? Yes. Tomatoes. Very good. Now next one, every day. I have some.
I have every day.
Every day
You
I
are- you
have
are-
some. Every day I have some FRTS. What is this?
U-I.
Now can you read this complete word? What is this? FRUITS? Fruits. Very good. Fruits. Next. Milk and BISC dash S. Can you tell me which vowels you are going to write there?
U-I.
Huh?
U-I-T.
Yes, UIT is also missing. T is not a vowel, but it is missing. So we will write here UIT. So that is biscuits. Very good. Yes, good. Now let us see the next one. Mother cooks dash L dash FY. Ah, yes, E and A. Can you read this complete word? What is this word? Very good. Leafy. L-E-A-Y. Leafy. And next one more you have. What is that? G-R dash N.
Green.
Green. Very good. E-E. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Mother cooks leafy green vegetables. Often she even makes dash. What does she makes often?
Beans.
Beans. So here we will write E and A again. Beans. Because it is healthy. I help my mother bake dash C dash K dash S.
Yes.
Cookies. Yes. Cookies. Cookies. In the oven. Yes. On dash. What is this?
Weekends.
Very good. Weekends. E. E. Very good, children. Weekends. So now we will read this complete 3 sentences. Okay. I love cheese sandwiches with tomatoes. Every day I have some fruits, milk and biscuits. My mother cooks leafy green vegetables. Often she even makes beans because it is healthy. I help my mother bake cookies in the oven on weekends. Okay. So now, okay, now see children, what do we have next? Join the following sentences using, yes, and. Using what? And. A and D and. Now, when we are using and to join these sentences, we have to remember one thing, that repeated words or repeated nouns should not be repeated. Like Sheila went to the market and Sheila bought vegetables. Here you can see. You can see here Sheila went to the market. And again you can see here Sheila bought, yes, vegetables. So here which word is repeated here? Sheila. Noun is repeated. Sheila is the name of a girl and it is repeated twice. So we should not write this noun 2 times. We have to write only Sheila went to the market and bought vegetables. When we are joining these 2 sentences with the help of and, we have to remove this full stop because these 2 sentences we are going to join to make it one sentence. So at the end of the sentence, you have to put a full stop and you have to remove this full stop. Clear, children? Now we will write this sentence using and. Sheila, Sheela, Sheila went W-E-N-T, went to the market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Now listen children here. Sheila. What is Sheila here? Sheila is a noun beta. It is a naming word. Yeah, name of a girl. You have to remember that. And market. Market is also a noun. It's the name of a place. It is the name of a place. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. It refers to the names of people, places, animals, and things. So you have to remember here, Sheila and market is a noun. Okay. And now let us see. Sheila went to the market and we are using and to join this sentence. So don't write this full stop. No full stop. And no Sheila. Noun will, again this noun should not be repeated. Okay. So we will write Sheila went to the market and bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought vegetables. Vegetables. And now the sentence finished. So we are going to end the sentence with full stop. Okay. Now let us see the second one. Did you understand children how we have joined the sentence, two sentences using and? Yes, did you understand? Yes children, are you able to understand? Come on, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So two sentences we have joined with the help of and we have not repeated the noun. So let us see the next sentence now. Let us see the next sentence. I went to the shop. I bought a pair of jeans. Okay. So now here we are going to write the sentence. I went. Can anyone tell what we have to write here? I went to the. Read children. I went to the shop and bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought a pair of jeans. And now full stop. See, here I is repeated 2 times. I is a pronoun. Yes, it's a pronoun. So we have used it in the 2 sentences. I is repeated 2 times. So what we have did, we have just removed this I and we have removed the full stop to join the 2 sentences with the help of and. Okay.
And choose the number.